God, I don't know if you see this video on time. I don't know if you guys, no, you guys are, but you guys are probably not. I'm depressed, I'm down. You know what it is. But let's build up your morals and let's talk about cars. Guys, so early morning, Monday morning, and we know that we weren't meant to be here, but we are. And because we are, let's start working as hard as we can. Let's talk about the G series, the G20 BMW 320 330i. The Stig has already ripped it apart because he's pretty peeved off because of the weekend. There she is in the background, I'm sure. So let's go over to the Stig's bench. The cat on one of these, on the new G series. I can't remember the engine code, but I will put it into the video. It's our first time at it. We're, like I said to you, so we're going to send off the flange sizes to a CNC, have that fully CNC in stainless, and we'll have all of them downpipes in stock. Now, let's have a quick look at the other part of it. So, as you can tell, we have some flared system here and a V-band, which is fine. So we'll be replicating that. And then this is the hard part, the oval. It looks like a 3-inch oval setup to an OPF box or DPF or OPF, whatever you want to call it, right on to this point here, right there. And then you have it obviously welded to your rear section. Now, what we're thinking of doing is either, you'll see in the design, I'm going to be speaking to the Stig and Wadge a bit later on. How do we then design something that's sort of kind of interchangeable for you guys to purchase from us? Do we start from here to there, or do we give you a smaller piece where it's going to be more cost effective? Because this is going to cost a lot of money to design. You can imagine it's oval and hand done. So do we give you that piece as a whole? Do we not? Do we give you something over here that could be slided on? So we're going to have a look throughout this video, and you'll see by the end of the video what works and what doesn't work. So, ignore the English. It's the Stigs. Yeah, by the way, he has several languages, and yeah, he could write all kinds of jibber jabber. But anyway, ignore this one. Oh, he created aliens, so he's some kind of god. Yeah. I shouldn't have said that. I'm gonna die for that, because I believe in one, and I hope he's not one. Right, anyway, so guys, as you can see, this is we've made our jig already, so you will be able to get this part, this midsection incomplete as a replacement pipe for your OPF. So this is where the DECAT kind of ends, and this is your midsection. As you can see, it's in oval, and as is also in oval, and you have see all these pipe pieces in order for it to get together correctly. Eliminates the OPF filter right there. And then this section right here allows you, yet again, you've got braces underneath the car, so you have to be oval yet again. And it comes to a point where you will have to, and this is the question now, you have to have a professional to weld it on, right? Perfectly will be welded back here. So that piece right there will require, ignore them, will require welding on this side. And then from that point to the back, you'll see the rest of the exhaust system in the complete. In this car's case, we're having turbo back a lot. You'll see our style of exhaust system will be fractionally kind of different to the OE setup, but we're making sections for you guys to purchase off our web shop at DKU Performance. We've got a new member of staff called Johnny Concrete. His name's Johnny Polar Concrete. Polish? Concrete. Johnny. Concrete. That's a piece you could also purchase. So for those who don't want to invest in the whole midsection, we also do you a section that you could buy. Now, what do you have to do for that yet again? What? The cameraman, Yash, is always in my case. So guys, as you can see, it's oval. Yeah, I was about to tell him that. Can I just do this myself? But anyway, guys, come follow me. Great dog. It loves me really. So guys, come over here. As you can see, we've made an oval replacement pipe. A lot of people are finding us for new platforms where a lot of the manufacturers have gone oval. Right, so what we've done, instead of you having that whole section made, right, if you don't want to, we got a replacement pipe for you. But yet again, guys, this piece cannot be flanged because you're trying to create a replacement pipe and then put it back if need be. So far, as you know, we've got a full midsection. You'll see the DECAT downpipe in the next, towards end of the video, the one we designed. And also you've got this replacement OPF pipe as well, if you need that, but it requires welding, guys. Any information you need, drop us a message. Alright guys, this is my second take on this video because my beautiful little daughter right over there took over, got influence of Mini. So Mini got influenced by Mini, thinking that they could hold the camera better than Yash. So there's a kind of a clash of the titans at the moment between them. I'm not getting involved because it's not in my interest to, but you know what? Most importantly, let's talk about that car in the background. Okay, G20 platform. B48, 4-cylinder engine. I'm not a big fan, guys, I'm gonna tell you straight, okay? Fast car though, tuned by ourselves from our sister company RTMG Performance, so check them out, top right hand side corner. They're here in-house at DKU Performance, so it's absolutely madness going on. There's nothing on the market, so we're aware of, DECAT-wise. So we have a DECAT now made for this platform, the G20 330i, 330i, 4 Series, 420s, 120. So we have the 3.5-inch DECAT ready to sell. We have the OPF Delete in 2 different versions they are, so you'll see them in the video, if I've already spoke about it. To 2 different versions for that, yeah, ready to go also. Then we have the premium exhaust system all the way to the back with valve control, yet again, ready to go. Now, I listened to the car earlier on. Am I a big fan? I am kind of not, okay? I'm not a big fan of 4 cylinders. Let's just get it right, I'm not. Certain cars, maybe yeah, but 6-cylinder all day long, straight inline 6 or V8, I'm the guy. Now, the young man who owns the car actually came down once or twice, all the way from Scotland, just to listen to his car. Yeah, so he came down with his friends just to listen to the car before we completed it. So as we completed the exhaust system and moved on to the tuning, he's gassed about it. Maybe I'm just getting old and I get all these young people telling me that. I'm not sure. But anyway, let's talk about the exhaust system. So the exhaust system, we go from back to front. So it comes with the 4-inch black chrome tips, our valve control system, so like OE, a replacement, as you can tell. So, right, put that there. Okay, we have to move that over there. So anyway, full resonation, one of our premium performance rear silencers, 3.5-inch into a V-band. If you travel all the way down, we've added a resonation box right there, just to balance out the sound. And then we had to go all oval all the way through. Now the OPF filter is generally over in this kind of area, and this is generally all oval. On the OEM setup, we've gone yet again, OE setup yet again, 3.5-inch, beautifully designed by our engineers all the way to the CAT. So the original catalytic converter used to be up there. Now it's been replaced with our new 3.5-inch DECAT downpipe. Really impressed with the whole setup of the exhaust system. It looks amazing. Amazing engineers from our main engineers that got involved in it. Right, I want your thoughts on the sound. Let me know what you think. He loves it, but he's 21. 22? 21, 22. It looks amazing from here, but let's just crank it up and see what you guys think. And please, guys, drop it in the comments below. Let me know what you think. Revision-wise, maybe, just maybe, looking at it from underneath, there could be a slight revision, probably adding more silencers to it. I think if we added a extra silencer, really nice, and it would be nice and balanced off. Now, also coming to the point I haven't spoke to you about, is the tuning side of things. Now, the platform hasn't really been, say, unlocked as just yet. It's a brand new platform and the brand new ECU, the NG1 I think it is, for what just don't quote me on it, but it is. But we'll put it down on the bottom what ECU comes with that. Now the solutions for the OPF and everything else were difficult to sort of get. So our tuners RTMG, Chris and Peter, big up to Peter. It took him some time to get the solutions together and get the map. Now the car is extremely fast. Very, very responsive car. I'm pretty impressed with the amount of performance it's got. And like I said, it's our new platform. There's a lot of development still that we're doing on the car. Well, we've finished it now, but there's loads of scope in it. So in time, in progression, as they start maturing more and more onto the market, I believe other tuners, and including ourselves, will really open up the doors with this platform. It's extremely fast. I reckon it's close to 300 horsepower, quite easily. You know, with the setup that it's got, and the exhaust potential is, you know, unlimitless. So if there was a hybrid setup for this car, and you know, the engine was kind of durable enough, honestly, you'd be surprised. For a four-cylinder, new generation car. I'm impressed, very impressed. I was impressed when they first came through the door. I'm impressed even more now driving it with a tune-up. It is very impressive. Sound-wise, it's not my cup of tea. I'm not a four-cylinder guy, but that's my opinion, guys. So you could give us your comments down below. Now let's crank it up, see what you think. And if you have any more questions, guys, please don't hesitate to contact us. Drop us a message on all our platforms. We've got DKU Performance, and you can follow us, our sister company, RTMG Performance as well, who have been part of the development in this car. But yeah, let's crank it up. Let's see what it sounds like.
Sharing and whatever you like, subscribe please as well. Subscribe please as well.